Let's talk corners. As a professional, you've done hundreds of inside and outside corners with different products. But today, I want to talk specifically about quality edge steel siding and how we put together our inside and outside corners. The first option is going to be our inside corner post. This is a color match option. You nail it or screw it to the wall, and the unique part is you don't need a J-channel on either side. Now this will work best if you have very square, clean cuts, and you'll want to nail to the inside of the nail flange so as expansion and contraction happens, it won't show a gap. The second option is two J-channels butt together. Now this is the most common option you see because you have lots of J-channel around the job site. The J-channel is really nice because it gives you a very clean inside line and it hides the gaps that you get from expansion and contraction of the panel. But it doesn't look the best because there's going to be a different exposure. One's a 1/2 inch and one is going to be 3/4 of an inch. But there's a better option. Quality Edge recommends our inside corner post with a J-channel on each side. Now this serves two purposes. One, it helps add an extra barrier to flash the inside corner to get water away from the home. Second, having all three components together give it a very clean symmetrical line from the eave all the way down to the ground. Let's talk outside corner. Vesta has two options you can use for the outside corner post. The first is going to be a double nailing flange, traditional outside corner post. It has a J-channel on each side to receive the siding. You'd simply put it up against the wall and nail it tight to each nailing flange. The second option is going to be our single nailing flange outside corner post. It looks a little bit different, but our engineers did an amazing job designing this piece so you can use it in so many ways. What's cool about this is I can set it to different depths based on what I have coming from the other side. If it's a board and batten, I can set it out 1 inch. If it's TruCedar, I can set it 3/4, or I can move it as tight as I need if I have Vesta. The other option is I can install all the panels on this wall and hold off on the outside corner till it's done, and then simply cap it off and nail it on this side for a secure fit. For TruCedar, we have two options for outside corner post. The first is a traditional double nailing flange outside corner post. This has a receiving J-channel on both ends. We simply put it up to the wall. I'll put a nail on the top, level it all the way down to make sure it's a consistent gap, and then you can go ahead and start installing your panels. The second option, and what's most preferred by contractors, is our two-piece outside corner. This has a outside corner base that you install to the wall. It has the built-in J-channels on each side, and then it comes with a cap that we can put on at the end of the job. First, you install this base. We can put all the siding into here at the end of the job. When all the trades are gone, you can grab the cap of the outside corner, use a little bit of tension, and it's locked into place.